Hi everyone, how you all doing? Yeah, it's another donation unboxing. In my last one, the box of stuff that I got from Steve, I did mention that someone had contacted me about a 9F, asking me if I wanted a 9F, and then Steve gave me a 9F. Well, this box, I'm pretty certain, contains said 9F. This is a box of stuff from a chap called Toby. And as I say, he contacted me to say he had a 9F that he didn't want anymore and would I like it. But he also said he would chuck a couple of other things in the box. So, other than the 9F, I have no idea what's in here. So, only one way to find out. We'll open it up. Right. So we've got a box of stuff and a note. What does the note say? Hi, Bill. Blah, 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 blah. Alright. Okay, I'm not going to read too much of that because I think it's giving away possibly what's in here. Right, so here's the 9F first of all. Let's get this out the road. Let's just put the box out the way. And we'll have a look at this 9F. There she is. I think Toby said that this had a problem with the wheels, I think. We'll look into that. I'll need to check back in his email to see exactly what he said, but I'm sure he said there was a problem with it. But it looks, apart from the pipe being broken off, which we can fix, so I'm not too worried about that, it looks in pretty good condition. Let's just get out and have a look. Yeah. Ooh, well, that front bogie seems overly springy to me, so maybe that's been part of the problem. That I don't think that should be quite as springy as that. Other than that, this looks in pretty good condition. So yeah, this looks very, very nice. It's got some crew in there, and let's see yes, there's something happening with the wheels. That's locking. That's okay. That gives me a problem to solve. Let's have a look at tender. It all seems to be in order. Does this come off? Yes, it does. And that appears to be in excellent condition. A little bit dry, but I think that'll be absolutely fine. So I'm looking forward to giving this the once over. So where does that pipe go? It goes on this side, doesn't it? Yeah, it glues on there. So we can get that glued on, that's not a problem. Let's just see, I just can't let these things go. I need to know. Let's just pop this on. Yeah, the wheels are locking. Yeah, we'll fix that. We'll fix that. That's not a problem. Right, let's put this back in the box, and then we'll see what else we've got. So I will probably look at this 9F before the 9F I got from Steve, because that's a whole other project, because I'm going to refinish that one. Whereas this one just needs repaired and serviced, I would imagine, and then I think I'll have a perfectly good 9F. So thank you so much, Toby, for this. That's a marvellous donation. Thank you very much. Right, what else we got? A small bonus, as you mentioned owning some of these. Toby, you might have just done it again, but no, this is an LMS one. I have said on a few occasions that I was after BR maroon coaches. This is an LMS maroon coach. Very, very close. I'll give you that, it's very close. I already have a rake of these, but Steve gave me an LMS dining coach. So having this all I need is another LMS brake coach, really, and I've got another rake of LMS coaches, which would be brilliant to have two different rakes of LMS coaches, because I've got a lot of LMS locomotives. So, not not one of the coaches I was after, Toby, actually, but hugely appreciated. It's exactly the same as my other LMS coaches, so I can put this towards my second rake, which is really good. Thank you very much. On the subject of BR coaches, we'll come to that in my next video. What else has he given me? Oh, what have we got here? Well, these might be old BR maroon coaches. Well, these are Jouef. So these will be HO scale. I've never seen any Jouef stuff before. Made in France. HO, wow. It does look noticeably smaller, doesn't it? What am I going to do with HO stuff though? So what? Just another one. Yeah. Little HO Jouef maroon coaches. Oh, here's another two. Okay, I've got a complete rake of 4 Jouef HO maroon coaches. I need to see what these look like on the layout, actually. I understand that the wheels, the wheel gauging is exactly the same, but the scale is a little bit smaller. Very interesting. That's got different couplings on it. And what have we got here? This is the last thing. We've got wild card written on here. I'm guessing that this is a Jouef locomotive. That's my guess here. Oh my. What is this? I'm guessing that's a Jouef locomotive, an HO. I can't think, what is that? Is that a class? Ooh, I don't know, what is that? The gears in that thing look horrendous. So let's, now that I've opened all this, let's see what Toby actually said about that. Small wildcard locomotive I found it personally. Is an HO scale class 21/29 made by a French company called Jouef Playcraft. It's a rather funny mechanism you may enjoy laughing and swearing at. Yeah, that's probably what I'll do. And some HO rolling stock for it to pull. Dates from about 1965. So I can have fun with them and use them in any way I wish. Well, thank you very much, Toby. I've never seen any Jouef stuff or HO stuff, so I will definitely have a look at this and see how it runs and see if we can maybe what we can do with it. It looks very different. Very different indeed. So we'll have a bit of fun with that. So Toby, thanks very much for sending me all this. The 9F is superb. I'll get that sorted. I'll maybe work on that this weekend actually. The LMS coach I will put to good use, and the Jouef stuff. I will certainly have a mess around with it, because it's educational for me to look at this and get an understanding of how a Jouef model from 1965 worked. So that'll be very interesting and a bit of fun. So thanks very much for it. Whether I keep it or not, well, maybe not. I would never sell anything that's been donated to me. I would be a bit uncomfortable. If somebody gives me something, I'm like, oh, fine, stick it up on eBay and flog it. I guess a lot of people would do that, but I don't think I'll do that. If I don't want to keep anything that have been donated, I think I'll probably offer it up to you guys. Quite how, I don't know. Maybe I'll run a little competition or something. If let me know if there's any interest in people wanting this, and there must be some HO guys, Jouef enthusiasts out there that would think, oh yeah, I would like that. Let me know, and I'll see if it's worth putting together some kind of competition or some kind of draw or something that I could say, and the winner is, there you go, we'll send you this. Anyway, right, okay, Toby, thanks, and we'll catch you later, guys.